Adorable Pogly! Pogly!
Young master, please stay and listen. I must.
You again, stranger!
Of course, I would follow you anywhere, young master. I'm your butler, after all. It's been a while since you were last home, young master. Surely you like to see what's becoming your manor, yes? Welcome home, young master. See, young master? I've collected these hunting capital benefits just for you. You'll be happy to know that I kept this place spick and span while you were away. I've sorted through the coupons and left them on the table. You may check them. Are you happy with the decor in your manor, young master? No need to thank me, though.
You there? Evelyn. Evelyn is missing! The Guardians are out searching now. I'm still concerned. I'll fill you in on the details later. Anyway, we gotta get moving.
No way. You've just returned, young master. Yet you're leaving again?
I'm worried about Her Highness Evelyn. We need to get moving. She mentioned Drakites and Dragon Hunters quite often these past few days. Perhaps let's find something to do while we raid. A Drakite trial? Interesting. Let's check it out. Might as well hone our skills.
It's named Dragon Hunter. We know where Her Highness is gone.
What? Where?
Please read this letter.
Maltville? Good thing it's not that far from the hunting capital. Let's keep quiet about it for now, for the sake of Her Majesty's safety. We'll go ask her, please bring us to Maltville.
Sure, this way.
Have you seen a blonde lady around here? We're her friends, and we're very worried about her.
Oh, are you friends with that nice lady? She was here to see Uncle Zingo. I think she wanted to show him a painting. Painting? Is that something edible? Where may we find... You can ask Uncle Zingo. He's an artistic genius. I know he's been looking around here for inspiration. Come, I'll bring you to him.
No, it's not right. This is not right either. Darn it! Use the right technique, but the feeling is all wrong.
Uncle Zingo! Some friends of that kind lady are here to see you.
Sorry, friends. I don't have time to bring you to her. Smack dab in the middle of my creative process. I can't just stop. If only I had some inspiration. I'd be done in no time. Ah, I know! All I need is a portrait of someone. That'd be the perfect inspiration.
Just make sure everyone's inside the frame, right? You're too stiff. Try an action. This one is good. Then you gotta adjust the angle before you can take the picture. Hey, hand on the picture.
I get it now! It's the perspective that's the problem. This painting would be perfect if I changed the perspective. Hurrah! Brilliant! My apologies for making you wait. Miss Evelyn brought a painting depicting some sort of ancient myth. I told her to talk to some of the elders in the village.
Ancient myths, huh? Let's head back to the village and take a look.
Interesting. Is this a holiday of some sort? How come so many youngsters are here to visit?
Excuse me, are you people looking for Evelyn? A blonde dragon hunter. It can't be anyone else. She's helping the guys at the outpost with an investigation. Is she not back yet? You might have to ask Mari, the outpost researcher. He's in charge of the investigation, alongside Evelyn.
Researcher? What exactly is Evelyn working on?
Jeez, you scared the brown ferret away! I spent days trying to capture the precious moment a brown ferret hunter can only experience when catching an elusive prey, and now you ruined it! No matter what it is that you want, I'm not gonna talk to you before you find me my brown ferret! I'm glad you found it. I'll forgive you.
Can you tell us Evelyn's whereabouts now?
Evelyn was asking around about Hierro the Great. She headed to the burial ruins alone after that.
I sense it now. That smell! It is that miscreant for sure! This despicable odor. Truly despicable! It cannot be anyone else. I will give him the punishment he deserves. Go on. No need to wait for me.
Hey, wait! Come back! You! Let's go find Evelyn first. I'm worried that she might be in trouble. She's all alone. Hey, what's down on the ground? Is this Evelyn's glove? Could this be? Oh no, it's blood! Do you really have to choose to do this alone? Hurry, we have to find her immediately. Looks like someone's been camping here. Wait, look! What's that? Is this a diary? That's Evelyn's handwriting. I'm 100% sure. So, did Evelyn leave this behind? She didn't learn anything after graduating, did she? She might be the princess as her friends. Shouldn't we be allowed to share her burden too? What's that noise? Oh no, we need to hurry. Evelyn! Evelyn! Hang in there!
Stay back! This wrecker is going berserk. Forget about me.
Don't be silly. We're home, safe and sound. Buddy, we'll leave the striker to you. Let's go. Be careful. Striker's finally distracted. Careful, hang in there. Don't move.
Be careful, guys.
Stay back. Careful. Don't get hit from the front.
I knew it'd end up like this.
Shh. Don't talk. Save your energy. Don't move, Evelyn. You're injured.
It's fine. I'm okay. But how did you find me? I thought no one would.
Come on, Evelyn. Are we friends? Friends help each other, right?
Good. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have kept it a secret. I'm trying to complete an ancient rite called the Hierro's Trial, the heroic tests. You can find the details on that stone tablet over there. You should give it a read.
Valiant powers. Evelyn, are you?
Yes, that's right. I heard the summons of an ancient hero in my dreams. It turns out I am the heiress of the power of the Valiants. As much as I hate to admit it, I have to accept that the prophecy is true, which means the evil dragon shall arrive and the world will be engulfed by flames. It's my mission to protect everyone. Yet I do not have any power at present. I fear that I cannot protect my people, and that those I love will depart from me one by one. I need to toughen up, defeat the ancient evil dragon, and complete Hyra's trial. It's my duty as a royal, and my mission too.
Is this why you chose to fight alone?
I have the fate of the royals and the valiant's duty on my shoulders. This is why
Don't be silly, Evelyn. I've been training my butt off so that I can one day fight at your side. And I don't buy those prophecies either. If you need to abandon your friends just to inherit this valiant power, why would you want them at all?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm fearless now that I have you on my side.
Right. In that case, let's make a plan of action. Looks like the first thing we need to do is complete this trial, yes?
To the east!